Hello everyone, you are watching Learn Easy with us. We provide educational and training videos every day. To stay updated with our latest content, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below after watching the video. Without any delay, let's get started. Ready? Let's dive into today's topic.
To some new models released by OpenAI. This includes the O1 Preview, O1 Mini, and the GPT-4o Mini versions. I'll give you a quick overview and show you some examples so you can see where each model shines and where it might struggle. Now, here's the thing. Choosing between these different models is only available for ChatGPT Plus subscribers at the moment. But don't worry, if you're not a Plus user, you can still access these models via the API or even on other platforms that use OpenAI's tech. So whether you're a Plus user or not, it's definitely a win to understand the strengths and weaknesses of each model. Knowing these differences can make sure that you pick the right tool for the job when you need it. All right, let's start by talking about O1 Preview. Think of this model as the powerhouse for the lineup. It's built for deep, complex reasoning tasks, things like advanced math, scientific analysis, and any problem solving that really digs into the details. If you're doing something intense like academic research or competitive programming, this is the model you want to use. It's actually so good at math-based challenges that it performs at an 86% success rate on quantitative reasoning, math problems, and 95% in coding tasks. So yeah, if you're working on high-stakes calculations or strategy development, O1 Preview's got the muscle you need for it. But there's a catch. That muscle comes with a few trade-offs. O1 Preview is slower compared to other models because of how much computational power and time it's putting into generating a better response. It's also on the pricey side with an output token cost of $60 per million tokens. And if you're on a Plus plan, you're limited to just 50 messages per week. It's a high-quality tool, but you'll want to be selective about when you use it. Save it for those moments when accuracy really counts, and you can afford a little extra processing time. Now let's move on to O1 Mini. This model is like O1 Preview's little sibling, leaner, faster, and more optimized for coding. It's designed to give you a lot of the reasoning power of O1 Preview, but in a faster, more cost-efficient package. It's about 80% cheaper than O1 Preview, so it's easier on the budget and optimized specifically for coding applications. It's also got an impressive processing speed of about 73 tokens per second. So if you're working on rapid prototyping, debugging, or any project that requires a lot of quick iterations, O1 Mini is your model. That said, O1 Mini still has some of the same limitations as O1 Preview. You're limited to 50 messages per day, and it doesn't have access to the internet, which means it's best for tasks where you can provide the context right in the prompt. All right, now let's look at GPT-4o Mini. This one's designed to be a flexible, cost-efficient version of ChatGPT 4o for general-purpose tasks. So if you're not doing anything too specialized, but you still want a solid, versatile model, ChatGPT 4o Mini is probably what you're looking for. This model supports both text and image inputs, making it great for multimodal applications like customer service or content creation. It actually scores between 82% on the MMLU benchmark for textual reasoning. ChatGPT 4o Mini isn't as powerful as the O1 models for tasks that require really deep reasoning, but it's faster, more affordable, and handles a broad range of day-to-day tasks with ease. It's also great for real-time interactions because of its speed, and it has improved context retention over other models. So let's put it all together. If you're dealing with high-stakes, accuracy-driven tasks like academic research, complex coding, or anything specific, O1 Preview is your model. But remember, it's slower and a bit more costly, so use it wisely. If you need something fast and efficient for coding tasks or quick iterations on a project, O1 Mini gives you a great balance of speed and reasoning without the high cost. And finally, if you're looking for a versatile, general-purpose model that's affordable and can handle both text and image outputs, ChatGPT 4o Mini is the one for you, especially if you're doing things like customer service, content generation, or multilingual work. Each model brings its own unique strengths to the table, so understanding their differences really helps you make the best choice for any given task. Whether it's the precision of O1 Preview, the speed of O1 Mini for coding, or the flexibility of ChatGPT 4o Mini for everyday tasks, knowing when to use which model can make all the difference.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please leave your thoughts below so we can discuss more about the topic. If you'd like to suggest a video that could help the community, feel free to message me on X or Instagram. We also share short videos on Instagram, so make sure to follow us there. Feel free to reach out. We'd love to hear from you, and might even create a video based on your suggestion.